This video I will explain. Suppose your computer is slow. What are the top 5 ways to speed up your slow computer? First point is restart your computer regularly. Sometimes your computer slows down because it's been running too long. You have to just restart it. This will clear temporary files and memory and make the computer fast. You have to try to restart your computer at least once a day. Second point is you have to close unused programs, delete unwanted files and browser tabs. Too many programs or too many browser tabs running at the same time can slow down your computer. So only you keep necessary apps and browser tabs open. You have to use Task Manager to close programs that you don't need. You have to delete old files, downloads and trash or recycle bin items. Here you can see the Task Manager. Click on this. And here you can see the list of programs that are running. If you don't want any program to run, select that, right click, click on End Task. Third point is you have to uninstall unwanted software. Suppose you are not using some of the softwares anymore, then you can remove it. In case of Windows operating system, you have to go to the control panel, programs, then you can uninstall the programs. Less software means more space and faster performance. Go to the control panel, click on programs and features. Here you can see the list of software which are installed. From this, if anything is unwanted, you can right click and uninstall it. Fourth point is you have to disable the startup programs. Some programs start automatically when your computer turns on. Too many startup programs can slow down boot time. You have to open the task manager and go to the startup tab. Then you have to disable the programs you don't need at startup. Right click, open task manager, and here you can see startup apps button. Click on this. Here you can see the list of programs that are started at the start of the computer. And here you can see some of the programs I have disabled. Suppose if you want to disable at computer startup, then right click, click on disable. You have to use good antivirus and do a full scan. A virus or malware can make your computer very slow and unsafe. You have to install a trusted antivirus. For example, Windows Defender, Avasat, Kaspersky. You have to run full scan and remove threats if found. Sixth point is you have to add more RAM or use SSD. If your computer is still slow, you have to add RAM or replace your hard disk with SSD. This will make your computer much faster, especially when opening files or opening programs. Now we will see some of the bonus tips. You have to free up disk space using tools like disk cleanup. You have to keep your system updated with the latest software and the latest drivers. If possible, you have to upgrade to SSD or add more RAM for better performance. You have to use lightweight programs. Avoid using heavy software if your system is old. You have to clear browser cache because it helps if your internet is slow.